I just been to my son's assembly right now, and I keep thinking about these two types of moms. The mom who gets to be there, but she's sitting at that assembly, stressing over bills, wondering how on earth are they going to make it until the end of the month. And then there's the other mom, the one stuck at work, watching the clock, feeling that heavy mom guilt because she wishes she could be here, but she can't take time off. Moms, with love, I want you to hear this. There is a way out. When you learn simple digital skills, you can build an income online that fits around your family. I earn from my phone up to $900. Not because I'm special. Hell no! But because I learned these skills and I stayed consistent. And when you can work from anywhere, moments like this, school assemblies, sport days, picking your kids up, you'll never have to miss that again. If you want this kind of freedom, please comment store down below and let me help you build something for yourself and change your lives.